from afar. It's Casey, the Reeds Bunch. On this video, I am going to be doing a collaboration with a friend of mine on YouTube, which name is Ashley The HomeMaker. She is doing a collaboration with her kitchen and my kitchen as well. I'm not for sure what she's doing with her kitchen, but I want to be organizing them. Let's see, pink bins right there. I'm going to be using, I got those from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be using them underneath of the cabinets below, down below, right there. They're a hot mess, so I'm going to organize them cabinets, get this cabinet back together where it's supposed to be, and there might be a little bit more extra. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. It's already late, so yeah, I'm slacking. But mom life, mom brain. So you know how that goes. But her name, Ashley The HomeMaker. Her description. Her name will be in the description box below. Make sure you check it out. She's hilarious. Her channel's a lot like mine, just different things a little bit, of course. But same scenario, same niche. Or niche? Yeah, you know what I'm trying to say. So, I'm ready to get this on, get it over with. I'm ready to go to bed. Let's do this. So, yeah. But anyways, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're from her channel to come to mine, hello. I hope you think about staying and thinking about subscribing. And another thing, if you're from her channel to mine, let me know. Put it down in the comments. Let me know that you come from her channel. And if you guys are leaving my channel to go see her, make sure you show her some love, because she's awesome. She's so funny. So, I haven't done it yet, but in her videos, if you watch her videos, she does this. I do that all the time. If I'm just randomly sitting around just looking and feel like I'm not for sure what I'm supposed to be doing, this is what I do. I do that all the time. So don't feel alone out there, Ashley. I got you there, sister. So let's get into this video and get it done. So in this cabinet is canned goods, soups, fruits and vegetables, easy meals for the kids to eat, boxes, cake mixes, you know, just a little bit of everything. So I need to get it back together and get it right in shape. Now on the bottom here is pots and pans, griddle, toaster, that type of thing. And then here underneath the sink is the cabinet. I'm not doing that today. It's just a hot mess. Not looking forward to doing that yet. So we will go on to the next thing. Now this cabinet's not too bad. There's some organization going on, but everything's just thrown in there from my lovely daughter. So let's get it back where it goes. So if you're wondering why all the pots, not the pots and pans, the plastic and everything, Rayleigh puts dishes away when they're in the sink. Right there. No. Right there. Dish drainer. That's what it's called. The dish drainer. So she puts those away. And sometimes she just puts them wherever they go. So I need to get it back together. And I need to show her where stuff goes. So hopefully me doing this will make her do things better, I guess. Especially with school coming around and getting ready to start back up. Looking forward to it. I can't wait. But anyways, let's get it rocking. I'm gonna do the bottom part first and then do the top after that. So I want the bottom done first. So, and first I take everything out and wipe the cabinets out. So I take everything out, wipe the cabinets out, and then reorganize. So come on, let's go do it. This is the cleaner that I'm going to be using. Microfiber. Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep
tell myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place we all make and just be alone, All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight. That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you rode off. Was a feeling never enough for you, baby, when you left me chasing you.
You guys know we live in a farmhouse, so before we cook anything, underneath there's a big hole. My husband hadn't got fixed yet. We don't have any mice at the time right now, fingers crossed, but we always wash anything that's under there. We wash it out before we use it, just cleanliness wise, because we don't know if a mouse has been in it, if you know what I'm saying. If you're from a farm and know anything about farm mice, you know what I'm talking about. So here's the bins, here's some of them. I got one of these, and I have several of these. I wasn't for sure how many I was going to use or how many I would need. We'll see. Hopefully I got enough. And organize this crap. Guys, so here is what it looks like now. It's like the big pans, skillets, rice cooker, extra burner, blender. Then there's an empty spot right there, and then those are like the big pans. And I don't know why that's so. That one, that spot for like the grill. And then the griddle, and then the lids, and the toaster and the blender. One more cabinet down and we will be done.
What's holding you down? I ain't like others. Don't let them hold your ground. Hold your ground. I am in the summer sky. I am hearing all the lies.
That top right there, I had 2 boxes of those because I got them on sale for like $4 in a clearance aisle. There was a pack of like 30 or 35. That's all I have left out of 2 boxes. I have plenty of lids, but no containers. So, yeah. So up there is like the tea or Kool-Aid, and then there's some extra, it's another set that I use for my sugar and stuff. Just another shot of it, and then this one is like extra plates, dish drainers, not dish drainers, is a plastic container, and my Pyrex glassware. And the other 2 big ones that I have are actually in the fridge right now. Is what is left. See all those plates? Or not all those plates. All those lids? None of the containers. I guess the kids eat them. I'm gonna clean up all the stuff on the floor and then start on the canned goods.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Oh, yeah, I've discussed it with
product. This is how it's straightened. That empty spot right there is usually like beanie weenies or Vinny sausages. I call them Vinny weenies. Beanie weenies. I don't know. Everybody calls them different. And then this is fruits and soups on the next from the same shelf. And then there's tuna, chicken, beans, salmon, and mixed vegetables. And then up there is crackers and pasta and spaghetti. And up there is like cake mixes and some beans and chocolate chips. So this is all the stuff. Some of the stuff is no good. It's bad. It expired. And then a few things is opened or not for sure what happened to it. But if it's still good, I usually donate it to our local food bank. So, yeah. Organize my kitchen cabinets. So, makes me feel better now that I know that those are together. And that stuff down there is together. So, I wish I could have done more, but I'll take it. I got that done. So, if you made it to the end of this, congratulations, you watched another video. No, I'm kidding. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to stick around, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to go check out Ashley The HomeMaker, her channel. That's who I'm collabing with today, just in case you guys forgot. And her link will be down in the description box. And if there's any videos that I mentioned during this video, I will also link them down there below as well. So I'll see you guys in the next video.